Romney was governor, Massachusetts lost 40,000 manufacturing jobs, a rate twice the national average, and fell to 47th in job creation, fourth from the bottom. Instead of hiring workers from his own state, Romney outsourced call center jobs to India. He cut taxes for millionaires like himself while raising them on the middle class, and left the state $2.6 billion deeper in debt. So now, when Mitt Romney talks about what he'd do as president,
I know what it takes to create jobs.
Remember, we've heard it all before.
I know how jobs are created.
Romney economics. It didn't work then, and it won't work now.
And Frank, the dials were climbing on both the red and the green until about 30 seconds before the conclusion. What happened?
Exactly, and that's when it got personal, but let me tell you that it's one of the most effective Obama campaign ads so far, because it goes step by step with what Mitt Romney did, rather than the typical accusations or the screaming about politics. He tries to focus on the record, and that's one of the reasons why our voters in Wisconsin said that's a legitimate attack, it's persuasive, it's impactful, and that one works.
All right, now